What? All right, John Hall, Tyler Cammock. And Shane Proctor's hopes for a title right here. Shane Proctor is still alive for the title. He's third in points. He had 3 points from qualifying, but he's going to have to go rounds. But if Destiny SPURLOCK wins, Shane Proctor is eliminated from the title chase. Remember, Destiny, she's trying to stay in the top 10. This is a big round for both of these riders. Here we go. 479, Shane is still alive for the title. Here we go, next up. McAdams and Derwin Wiles. Now Mac is fourth in the points chase right now. Remember, where he qualified, he didn't gain any qualifying points. That did not help his cause. Derwin Wiles can definitely play the role of spoiler. Now Derwood was 16th in points coming in. He could have a shot, perhaps, to try to sneak into that top 10. Big round for McAdams here. Well, Matt, you'll see. 472 for Mac, he's still alive. Kenny Morgan, Troy Hausmann. Now Troy is second in the points. Right now, after qualifying, unofficially 44 behind Roddy. That's 3 rounds of racing. Kenny Morgan can end the title host for Troy Hausmann right here. And we got a staging duel. Finally, Kenny goes in, waiting on Troy. Troy's in. Troy, 463. Troy Hausmann still alive for the title. Tomorrow, Frank Christian and Mike Mace. This pair has no bearing on the championship, but whichever one of these two moves in round 2 can play the role of spoiler for somebody else here. Here we go. Frank Christian, Mike May. Give it to Frank Christian, 462. The Orient Express Pro Street Lane 5, DME Racing Real Street Lane 6, HCP Superstock Lane 7, come on. Here we go. Hawkins gets full man. Here we go. Hollins and Pierce, couple Virginians. Now here's the deal for Mike Ostrowski. He's got to go rounds. He's almost going to have to win the race. Doug Robinson, right side, qualifies 31st. Doug Robinson is known. He can strike. He can go a 460 at any time. He has struggled all weekend in qualifying. But will Mike Ostrowski still be alive for the title, or will Doug Robinson end Mike's season right here? Mike's in, wait on Doug. Doug's in. Mike Ostrowski, 473, but I'll tell you what, Doug left on him. That's no good from the side of Ronnie Bones. He can try to sneak up and get in the top 10, man. Chase Van Sant out of Pella, Iowa. On the now on the hard side. Yeah, this pair has no bearing on the championship with Harvey Hubbard coming in. He's 11th in points. So a round win for Harvey Hubbard would put him 10th in the points chase unofficially. Here we go. Harvey Hubbard, Chase Van Sant. It got him 464. Harvey Hubbard goes too quick. Harvey got 463. Here we go. Mike Stewart refunding. Give it for Stewart, 464. Championships in this category, and actually only two riders have ever won the championship twice. Tyler Cammock and Ronald Procopio. Boom Brown. Can he take him out right now? Oh, Ronnie gets around him 462. Shane wins, he's still alive. Mac wins, Shane's eliminated for the title chase. Oh, Mac goes deep. Shane taking his time, getting in there. Shane taking it in there. Did he lose? Probably gets in there in time. Oh, man, McAdams wins. Shane Proctor is in. Breaks in. Troy's in. Dead on with a 2, a 8, top Superman honeycut on the left side. Go. 469 honeycut gets it. Here we go. Stewart and Phil. Stewart, 466 on 467. I mean, again, the year he won the title, he did so without winning a race. It's pretty tough to win a championship even when you do win races. He went to like 4 finals that year and won at one point 3 in a row. But Eran Pielert, left side of Baltimore, Mike Thyen, Sherrilsport, North Carolina. Winner here gets Michael Stewart in round 3. It's the Thyen 462. Now here is Tyler Cammock, right side. This is the run to watch here of round 2. If Tyler Cammock wins, that put Troy HAUSMANN in the driver's seat. Ronald Procopio wins, and then it gets a little more interesting. MPS, Pro Team re-entry to lane number 1. It's only $40 for another shot at $10 grand. Here we go. Procopio and Cammock. Tyler Cammock took him out. Tyler Cammock took out the points leader. And Ronald Procopio went. Matter for the title. So here we go. All right, here we go. McAdams, Tyler Cammock. These two have met each other a few times. Tyler, the first rider to ever win the 460 title twice. And here we go. Back in the lead. 463, Tyler Cammock goes 006, but now, West wins. Oh, West Hawkins wins! Ronald Procopio is the champion! Ronald Procopio is now a 3-time 462. Chase, whole shot! 466 to a quicker 464. So Chase Van Sant takes out Rob Honeycutt, final pair. Michael Stewart, Mike Thyen. So Michael Stewart, Mike Thyen.
final. Number 3 will